In this video, I'm doing a what I eat in a day that has helped me lose over 100 pounds. But also I am going to share some missteps I've taken in the last month or so and taken me off track. So I'm going to share with you what I'm doing to get back on track and get the rest of this weight loss. So I have gone off the path and now I'm back on. So if you'd like to see what I eat in the day to help me lose weight on the WW Personal Points Plan, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I know a lot of you have been wondering where my videos have been. I've been using excuses to keep me off plan. I've had several trips. At the end of May, I went to Las Vegas for a week, and then I came back for 3 days, and then I went to Chautauqua Lake, New York for a family vacation for almost 2 weeks. And all these things have combined, and have good intentions, but they didn't stay as good intentions. So I've been pretty much off track for quite a while now. I keep telling myself I'm going to get back on track and make the right choices and get back with my healthy habits. But like my vision board said, I have all those things: commit, no excuses, 1 pound at a time, keep it going, eat healthy, get fit, be well. All these motivations and words I wrote down at the beginning of 2022 to help me stay on track and get to my goal weight kind of have been done in vain. But this is my commitment to get back on track. I went to Vegas and I started tracking my meals. I was taking videos and pictures of some of the foods I ate. I was tracking it as best I can. And then about halfway through, my daughter won a World Series of poker bracelet, and we were out celebrating quite a bit. And of course, celebrating seems to involve food with me. So that I will put some pictures of my Vegas trip here.
And welcome to the very first official gold bracelet ceremony at the 2022 World Series of Poker. Please welcome to the World Series of Poker stage for the very first time from Cleveland, Ohio, Miss Katie Cox. First and hopefully many World Series of Poker gold bracelets. Congratulations.
This is the bracelet she won. It was an exciting moment that we were both able to share in Las Vegas. I'm getting some steps in on the famous Las Vegas Strip. And then when we got back, my daughter came in from Kansas, and we went to Lake Chautauqua, New York for vacation. Taking a hike at Panama Rocks in New York. We're on vacation at Chautauqua Lake, New York. So we had our goodies, and rest of my family came up, and they all have a bunch of different foods we eat. Everybody cooks a meal every day. So it was pretty difficult to stay on track, and I kind of went off of the deep end. My eating, I'm pretty much an all or nothing person. Either I have to do it all the way or I don't do it at all. And that is a bad way to undertake a weight loss journey, especially when you have a lot of weight to lose, because it is not going to come off all at once. It is not a direct route from your highest weight to your lowest weight. It's up and down and up and down. And I know that, but sometimes I think, well, I'll eat some food on vacation and then I'll start back, and I find that the sweets are bad for me. I can't control myself on when I eat those. Or if I have I don't know, any temptations, I have lost my will to say no. So I got to recapture that. Last night, my husband woke me up in the middle of the night, which I don't understand. He said, he's shaking me. He says, why aren't you eating right? When are you going to start eating right again? It's like, really? I want to get woken up to that? And my son is telling me, make sure you follow your vision board. My daughter is here and she moves my vision board so it's right in the middle of the kitchen, so I'll make sure that I see it. Everybody is saying, come on, get back with it, get back with it. You don't want to gain all that weight back. And I do not want to gain all that weight back. So I am back on track. I know my 3 things are exercise, drink water, eat well, eat right, stay within those points. I got to think about how I can still stay on plan and still have a good time, because I started to do it in Vegas, but it didn't last. So I am going to try to do better. I'm going to do better. I know a lot of people feel the same way I do. It's really hard to stay on a weight loss program for a long time. And with some people like me, I have to be more restrictive. Well, some people can eat whatever they want and it doesn't happen. But me, I have to be restrictive and I have to pay attention to what I'm eating. I have to drink that water and I have to do right. I mean, I've been doing videos, and I do have my good days. Well, I haven't had very many good days the last month, but I have good days where I stick to the plan. I make my video. I do what I eat in a day. But then the day after that, I don't. And the day after that, I don't. And then I'll do a good day, and then I do a bad day. But you have to commit. You have to commit to the program. You can get your extra points, use them for whatever you want. You just have to commit to doing it every day. Whether you have a slip up or not, you always have a new set of points in the morning. And that is something I have not been paying attention to, my own advice. But I'm back on it. And today I'm doing a what I eat in a day video. So if you'd like to see it, I have what I ate for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And so come on along and share the day with me. We'll get started with breakfast. Here's my breakfast this morning. I had 2 fried eggs for 0 points. I had 2 points worth of hash browns, 1 point turkey sausage, and 2 points worth of toast. And so that breakfast is 6 points, and it's one of my favorites. For lunch, I had 2 pieces of rye bread for 3 points, and I had 5 points worth of a lunch meat that's called prosky with just mustard on it. I don't eat lunch meat very often, but on this day, it was a nice lunch. I'm making white chicken enchiladas for dinner. I'm using cream of chicken soup. I make a sauce of that. I'm using 2 cans of the 98% fat-free cream of chicken soup. Then I'm going to heat that up on the stove. I'll mix it up. And to that, I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of light sour cream. Then I add 3/4 of a cup of fat-free cheddar cheese. Then I had chopped up about 7 scallions, and I'm going to add that to the sauce mixture. And I will heat that up until everything is melted and smooth and creamy. Then I will add some on the bottom of a 9x12 pan, and I'm going to roll up the tortillas. I am using 1 point La Banderita carb counter tortillas, and what I do is I had previously cooked some chicken and then shredded it. I have used 3 smaller chicken breasts for this. I add a little bit of the shredded chicken, then a few tablespoons of the sauce mixture, and I will roll up each tortilla, and then I place them in the baking dish. And I will cover and bake it for about 15 minutes. And then I'll take the cover off and bake it for about 10 more minutes, and that's at a 350-degree oven. And this is what they look like when they come off out of the tray, nice and melty and cheesy goodness. And there is my dinner. Each tortilla is 3 points, and then I had 6 points worth of rice. So that meal is a 12-point dinner. For my snacks this evening, I had a bowl of cherries for 0 points. And then I also had a fiber 170-calorie chocolate peanut butter bar for 2 points. So that is going to be my snacks for the evening, and that ends my day. Please comment below if you have bad days, if you have struggles with weight loss, and what you do to stay on track and stay motivated, especially if you have a lot of weight to lose. It's hard. So if you want to share some tips or advice that can help me and help other people, because it is much needed at this time. I ended the day using 28 points on the Weight Watcher Personal Points Plan. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.